Every journey begins with a dream, but some dreams demand courage, sacrifice, commitment, and dedication. From the glow of the screen to the glare of reality, her story began.
As a child, I always wanted to be on screen. I used to look at the mirror and do dance or enact a dialogue or even play with the dupattas and all. Go around the house like that. I used to wear makeup. I used to do all the cute stuff any girl does. And then I had this passion for acting and coming on the screen. All this was a dream, but yeah, of course, we are not from a film background, so we don't know if we're going to end up like that. But fortunately, they say every child's dream will come true when you really pray for it, so that God will offer you this thing. No? So that magic moment happened to me, and then, of course, I became an actor. I'm a very, very family-oriented person. And thinking about Dubai here, my family is here now. My home is here because my husband and we have created a family and life here together. So though I keep working and traveling often to India and Dubai, still this is home now. So finally being here and creating a home here, creating a life here is a beautiful thing. And from just dreaming to be on screen to being on screen and then getting a good recognition back home and then making a life here in Dubai is just amazing. There were moments of doubt, challenges that tested my strength.
This is my first award as an actor, and Mummy, this is for you.
And then the dream grew bigger beyond the screen, towards the skyline of Dubai.
It wasn't just my dream, it's my husband's too, for the family that we are trying to build here. And of course, to call Dubai our home, which is the city of dreams. That's where Green Desert Real Estate came in. They listened, they understood, and they stood by me, not just as agents, but as partners in my journey. From understanding my needs to showing me the right steps and guiding me through every decision, they made the impossible possible. And finally, that moment came. The keys in my hand and the dreams in my eyes. This wasn't just about buying a property. It was about fulfilling a lifelong dream. From the screen to the skyline, dreams do come true with the right people by your side.